coding assistants like Claude Code and Cursor can write thousands of lines of React or backend logic in seconds. They are exceptionally fast at generating code, but they have a physical limitation. Your AI is currently trapped inside the text editor. It can write the instructions for a web page, but it cannot see the live browser to verify if that code rendered correctly. This creates a constant friction in the development workflow. If a UI element is misaligned or a button fails to trigger an event, the agent has no way to click the interface or inspect the runtime errors itself. Instead, the developer has to act as a manual bridge, copying error traces from the browser's inspect tool and pasting them back into the chat window just so the AI understands what went wrong. Google has addressed this bottleneck by releasing the Chrome DevTools MCP. It's an official server that creates a direct communication pipe between your AI agent and the internal engine of a live Chrome browser. By connecting the model directly to the browser's own developer tools, the AI shifts from a code generator into an active participant that can observe and diagnose the web environment in real time. This integration uses the Model Context Protocol. It's a universal standard allowing large language models to exchange data with external systems. Because of this protocol, it works immediately with Claude, Cursor, Antigravity, and Copilot. Agents can now talk to your browser. This connection enables the agent to read browser console messages independently. It can see exactly where a script failed and pull the full source-mapped stack traces without you having to copy a single line. This capability also extends to network inspection. If an API call fails, the agent can look at the specific request headers and response bodies to determine if the issue is with the front-end logic or the server-side data. By accessing both the console logs and the network traffic, the AI removes the human from the error reporting loop, gathering its own technical context to troubleshoot bugs. Beyond just reading data, the AI can physically manipulate the page. It uses the Puppeteer library to translate intent into actual browser events. The agent can autonomously navigate pages, fill out complex forms, click UI elements, and manage dialogues to test flows. It also provides a visual feedback loop. The agent can take screenshots to verify layout changes and run performance traces that pull real user experience data via the Google Crux API. For faster interactions, you can launch the tool in slim mode. This is specifically for developers who only need the agent to handle navigation and visual verification. By disabling the heavier performance and memory tracing tools, slim mode reduces the processing overhead, making the browser interactions significantly more responsive for the agent. These combined tools give the agent a closed loop of vision, action, and diagnostic telemetry, allowing it to see the results of its code as it executes. This integration shifts the role of the AI from a simple coding assistant to an automated QA engineer that can verify its own output. The workflow becomes a self-correcting cycle. The agent writes the code, tests it in the browser, reads any errors, and refines the code. This happens entirely within the agent's environment, fixing bugs without the developer ever needing to click a button manually. For web developers, this official Google tool is the most direct way to eliminate the manual testing bottleneck and speed up the delivery of web applications. If you're ready to integrate this into your own workflow, hit the subscribe button right now for more developer tool breakdowns, and check the description below for the official GitHub repository link.